Hello everyone, welcome to our new videos. Today I'm going to show you some of the newest products on my right hand. This one, the countertop styling griddles. Let me give you the overall dimension for the units first. This unit's entire length is about like 12 inches. The unit's overall depth is about like 28.5 inches. At the behinds, they also have a connection jet. It's about like 2.5 inches deep. And overall height is about like 18 inches tall. For this cooking area, this pan is about like 1 inches deep, 12 inches wide. And the overall length is about like 20.5 inches. So we can see the unit's front. They come in with the switchers and the small pillows holes for you to check in the fire inside. And on top of it, there is a small hole in the middle for you to clean the dirt on the top of the griddles. And also at the bottoms, they do come in with a tray to collect all the dirt inside. You can just remove it and clean it. From the manufacturers, they will offer the regulators, convert this one. And also on the side of the units, they come in with the SA sanitation stickers on it and all the detailed information about the units. So this will be the all demonstration information about the products. And if you do have more questions, feel free to contact with us.